FAW TV is in Merthyr, more specifically the Penydarren area of Merthyr for JD Welsh Cup Round 4. We're here at Penydarren Boys and Girls Club, where the team has entered the JD Welsh Cup for the very first time. The club's badge features Richard Trevethic's steam train, which is a symbol of the progress that Penydarren Boys and Girls Club have also made. So we came along to Penydarren to catch up with members of the committee, the management team and the player of round 3. Chris, you scored a hat-trick in the last round against Llandudno Junction. What did that feel like in the Welsh Cup?
Oh, it was great. What a feeling. Plus I called it
before the game?
Yeah, breakfast before the game. So.
Now is it right you were substituted in the game as well and ended up sitting in with the fans to watch the end of the game?
I was on one of the fans' heads.
But what does this mean to this club and to yourself and the rest of the players?
Oh, it's unreal. Especially for the people around the back scenes. It's just great for them to see this club do well.
Because you were voted the JD Welsh Cup Round 3 Player of the Round, and we brought the trophy here to present to you here on FAW TV as well. So congratulations,
thank you very much.
And hopefully it'll bring you some luck in the next round as well.
Fingers crossed.
This year, this has put us more in focus, in the limelight, for want of a better word. It's a great achievement. It's nice to think that a lot of these players in the side, is a very young side, have developed through the years from the ones you see on the training pitch now. They've developed and improved, and I think it's just rewards for the effort put in by the people running it. The club is well run. It's a 100% voluntary organisation. No one gets paid for anything. We've got one sign here which I'd love to burn. Sorry, we're full.
The buzz is bouncing. Twitter, Facebook, website. People have been inundated with messages of support. Hopefully it's a great day. The sun is shining and we can see two teams who are playing good attacking football.
What's your message to other clubs which may have been thinking of entering and maybe haven't entered in the past?
Do it. The ride is fantastic and you won't regret entering it again.
So there's monetary value as well to each round you get through. What will that money do for the club?
Our players play £5 a week to play. The money we've raised so far has actually paid all our subs for this year, all our bills in pitch fees and everything. So everything now is a bonus. So we can also look to plan now for next season. Hopefully I'll be in the Welsh League. For what we've achieved, it's been incredible. So we are busting for next Saturday.
When you consider that this was an old landfill site, I played in it as a child. I played in it as a young boy, played league football on it. It's all black ash and glass. And people can't believe that this Cinderella has suddenly become a princess, And it's unbelievable to think that we could have a Premier League Welsh club playing on the ball.